All right, guys, here's how to create an email template, just like a plain text email template inside of your CRM. So you'll go to the marketing tab, you go to emails, and instead of going to campaigns, let's go to templates, right? Just the next tab over. And you can create a blank template. There's other templates in here that you can choose from, but you can start with a blank plain text editor email. And just for simplicity's sake, this is what I recommend that you do, because you don't need to have all of the extra HTML design elements and all that stuff in your emails. It might actually hurt your deliverability, make it harder for your emails to get delivered to people's inboxes. So what I like to do, and what a lot of people do, is send plain text emails that just sound like they're written from you directly to your customer, right? So if your name is Bill, then this email's from Bill to Mary, right? Who's your favorite customer? Exactly, right? So we'll just make a new template. And actually, I'll just copy and paste in a template that I grabbed from another account. This is, you'll notice size 18 font. I like to make this pretty big so that people have an easy time reading it. We're going to pull in some custom values here, including the customer's first name. If you want to add custom values, you can just go up here and do, contact and the customer's full name or first name or whatever you want to do. And then we'll just say, hey, it's, so-and-so from ABC Cleaning. So we'll pull in your name, the name of your business, reaching out to see how your carpet's looking. We have a couple specials going on right now. I want to make sure you saw these. We'll list out the specials. Our schedule gets pretty full at this time of year, so please give me a call right away if you'd like to schedule with us. We'll put your phone number in here, make it clickable, and then we'll sign the email from you, put your business name and your website in here. So simple enough. We'll call this the plain text email template, and we'll save that in here. So now anytime you want to send a new email marketing campaign to your list, you could do a new campaign. And when you choose from your templates, you can just use this plain text email template right here. And you can modify this text, make it say whatever you want, but this will give you a good starting point for just a plain text email. Whatever you're going to name your campaign, give the campaign a name up here, right? So there you go. After you've created your email, you'll hit send or schedule, and it'll ask you what list of contacts you want to send it to. You can send it to all your contacts or just contacts with a specific tag, or if you know how to do smart lists, you can create a smart list and send it to them. So you have a few options here. It'll also ask you for subject line, preview text. You can set an email preview to yourself if you want to see how it looks, before you start sending it out to your entire list. You can also preview tablet, mobile, all that stuff. All right, cool. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Support@bookcleaningjobs.com.